welcome to my YouTube channel, 1 million. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Tern bicycles and exploring their all-new 2025 lineup. If you're a fan of folding bikes, electric mobility, and cutting-edge cycling technology, you're in for a treat. Tern has been a pioneer in innovative bike designs, and their latest models push the boundaries even further. Let's take a closer look at the best Tern bikes of 2025 and what makes them stand out. Tern Vektron 2025 are the ultimate folding e-bike. Tern's Vektron series has always been one of the most popular folding electric bikes, and the 2025 model comes with major upgrades. The new frame design is lighter yet more durable, making it easier to fold and carry. Equipped with the latest Bosch performance line motor, this e-bike delivers smooth power, allowing riders to conquer hills effortlessly. The battery now has a longer range, offering up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the city, the Vektron 2025 is designed to provide the perfect blend of power and convenience. Tern GSD 2025 are the compact cargo powerhouse. If you need an e-bike that can carry heavy loads, the Tern GSD 2025 is the ultimate choice. This compact cargo bike now comes with an upgraded dual battery system, offering an impressive 250 kilometers range. The redesigned rear rack can support even more weight, making it ideal for families, couriers, and businesses. The powerful Bosch cargo line motor ensures effortless riding, even with a full load. Plus, Tern has introduced a new ultra-stable kickstand, making it easier to park and load the bike. Tern Vibe 2025 are the smallest folding bike yet. For those who prioritize portability, the Tern Vibe 2025 is the most compact folding bike yet. Tern has refined its tri-fold technology, allowing the bike to fold 30% smaller than previous models. The new ultra-light aluminum frame makes it easy to carry, while the upgraded 8-speed drivetrain ensures a smooth ride. Perfect for urban commuters, the Vibe 2025 easily fits in trains, buses, and car trunks. Tern HSD 2025 are the family-friendly e-bike. The Tern HSD 2025 is designed for riders who want a balance between a compact size and high carrying capacity. It now features a more powerful mid-drive motor, making it easier to ride with passengers or cargo. The adjustable seat and handlebar allow it to fit riders of all sizes. New for 2025, Tern has added an integrated rear rack with a child seat attachment, making this bike ideal for families. Tern Quick Haul 2025 are affordable yet powerful. For those looking for a more affordable electric bike, the Tern Quick Haul 2025 is a fantastic option. This lighter-weight utility e-bike comes with a 500 watts hub motor, offering excellent performance for city commuting. The updated battery provides a range of 120 kilometers, and the simplified folding mechanism makes storage easy. It's perfect for those who want a reliable e-bike at a great price. Conclusion: Tern has once again redefined the cycling experience with its 2025 lineup. Whether you need a powerful cargo e-bike, a compact commuter, or a lighter-weight folding model, Tern has something for everyone. These new models offer better performance, longer battery life, and smarter designs, making them some of the best bikes of 2025. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, 1 million, for more exciting updates on the latest bikes, electric vehicles, and future mobility trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the